will click on the video. So I have come on videos, so it's just opening. So after that, what I need to do, I have to open the video I want to have maximum. For example, on this video, let's check, there are almost 62 views. I want that I have maximum ads on my video. So let me check it how to do that. First of all, you will click on the monetizations, and once you click on the monetizations, here you check whether your monetization for this video on or it's off. So here I can see that my monetization, especially for this video, it's off. First of all, I turn it on. So no, it's on now. So once it's on, it will be a green sign of dollar will be over there. So right in front of you there is a green dollar sign. And after that, what you need to do, there are two options. Whether you can give YouTube chance to set ads according to their wish. So once they'll be evaluate your video, they'll be giving you ad according to their wish, because it is automatically there is a database of the YouTube, and they automatically set ads on your video. So if you want that you want to have maximum ad, I recommend you should do yourself, as I am going to do it myself. So just right on this, click on this. If you want that your viewer can skip video, you can just click over here, skip video ads. So if you want that your viewer must watch your ads, so you'll be clicking on the non-skippable ads. So I recommend that you should not use this. So after that, if you want that here is like this options, so what kind of ad you want to, I recommend you that just give 5 minutes. So here check, so I think that there is a 5 minutes, and then ad, and then ad, and here is ad. So you can even add after 5 minutes. I recommend you 5 minutes, 7 minutes is enough. So here ads, and then ads. So this way you can set ad. Even you can allow YouTube, it will be added automatically. So it is according to your desire, whether you want to give option to the Facebook, or you want, as I have added myself. So it's very easy for me to add as much as I can. So this way, once you set it, you can just click on continue, and now it is saved. So it has been saved, and you can click on the save. I have set lot of ads on my video. Now my video will be playing all these ads. So for that you can check after this whether my YouTube video has been set with certain ads. It can be checked later. Stay blessed and have a nice time. It's a really nice job. You can set yourself. So a lot of options are given. Even you can add overlay stickers. So sponsored stickers like that you can add if you wish, and after that you can save it. Stay blessed and have a nice time. I hope you have learned how to edit ads especially, and earn maximum money. Stay blessed and have a nice time.